Okay, folks, the Vermont railway train's coming right behind my house. Thought you want to take a look. There's the tracks right ahead. You can hear it in the distance coming. Catch them coming by. Getting closer. Ready, here it comes. There's the tracks. Sorry about shaking, folks, but the mosquitoes are terrible out here. I'm trying to hit them off and trying to do a video. Oh, they're swarming me, so. Landing on my fingers. Yep, we had 4 or 5 engines go by. Came by earlier. I tried to catch it, but I couldn't, but I get it this time for you. I'm meaning to get some trains, but every time I get out here, they're going by, and I miss them, but I can hear them coming in the distance with the horn blowing, so. And there it goes. It's going to be the next crossing up ahead at the variety store to go through. If you've seen my videos, then they go right to the North Bennington train station. Here in Vermont, USA, folks. Look at how beautiful those brand new cars are. Nice. Yeah, quite a load this time. Ah, mosquitoes. Look, you can see them flying around. Hear that? There. They're at the variety store now, blowing the horn. Then they got another 100 feet of track till they hit the next crossing, which will be the North Bennington train station. Hopefully I'll get down there this Friday and do some more of the trains. Show you the station again. But we got a long one going here, folks. Well, got a lot of rail cars. Wow, quite a few. Yep, all that nice graffiti. Gotta always tag the trains. Yeah, check out that little well house. Isn't that awesome? Oh, and here's the end. Coming up now. 3 more cars. Yep, no more caboose, folks. Thing of the past. Sure do miss the cabooses, but now they got a little light on the back there. See it flashing? It goes in the distance. Alright, thanks for watching, folks. And I'll show you where we are, see? There's where I live. There's a farm. Okay? Right across the street. I got the train station. We got the farm. We got everything here in Vermont. We have the skies. We have the skies. See that? We have everything. All right. And the mosquitoes. Yow. Okay, everyone. Thanks for watching. Going back across the street to my house. And be taking it easy. Everyone have a good night. It's getting dark. There's the end of the sunset going on up there, and not much left. You see up there. A bit left through the trees, but all right. Thanks for watching, everyone.